and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be telling you all about my current hairstyle that I have been rocking, which is this nice curly textured hair. And this hair is from Jennifer King Hair, and this was sent to me in the texture Deep Wave Malaysian. So this hair right here is really bomb, y'all. Let me just give you a little bit of my first impressions and tell you all about how I feel about the hair, and if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. So my first impressions of the hair when I received it, it was nicely packaged. It came like most bundles come with the individual bundles wrapped up with rubber bands or hair wrappers, and it had these little hang tags on it that says JK Hair, and it was sent in the inches 16-inch, 18-inch, and a 20-inch bundles, and a 14-inch closure. I had my hairstylist install this hair like a traditional sew-in with the closure, and I am really loving it so far. This is my first time having a closure, and the closure came really nice. Like, it didn't really need much plucking at all. But this is the way my hairstylist styled it, which she did a great job, and she laid this sucker flat as I don't know what. So the closure was really good quality. It was not shedding. The hair, y'all, was so freaking soft when I received it. I've never felt hair that soft, and I'm not even just saying this because it was sent to me. Like, literally, I gave the closure over to my hairstylist, and she plucked it to look like this to make it look a little bit more natural. But I will insert a picture here of how the closure looked when I received it. It did not need much work done to it. It was really nice when I received it. So if you don't want to have this like defined part look, then you can go with that closure. And it is free parting, so you can do the middle part, or you can kind of part off to the side as well. So now, along with the bundles were just as soft as the closure. They felt really soft, really good quality. No tangling. Like when I get new hair, I immediately run my fingers through it to see, is this hair going to tangle, how soft it feels, how the curls look. And I also have a picture of me just taking a picture of the bundles once I received them, and I can insert that here as well. So that's just my initial thoughts on the hair once I received it. Now that I have the hair installed, how do I feel? I still love this hair, y'all. Like, I still love the hair. I think that it is low maintenance. I know curly hair is typically never low maintenance, but this hair is practically low maintenance. I just wake up in the morning and I spray it down with a spray bottle, and then I just rake my comb through it from the bottom up like so, and I let the hair be fully damp, and then I go in with my curl enhancement smoothie, and that's what gives it this like hold it curl look. And this hair is dry by now, so this is what it looks like dry when I do that method. Now if I wanted to wear the hair completely like combed out, blown out, I could do that as well. My hairstylist, when she initially did the hair, it looked like that, and then we wet it and weighed it down like it is. So I can insert pictures of when I first got the hair installed as well, how it looked all blown out. I typically wouldn't wear my curly hair like that. I like to wear it more in this style. So I will just insert a picture for you guys to see how it looks like combed out. So I've only been wearing the hair for a few days now. It's like my first week wearing the hair, and I don't notice any shedding, like random shedding. If I run my fingers through this hair, I don't want to run it through too much because I don't want to mess up my curls, but if I run my fingers through, like, I think I got one strand girlfriend. Like, who? That's unheard of. You don't get no one strand with no curly hair. So this hair is minimal shedding, no tangling whatsoever. This is curly hair. You shouldn't be able to do this, and I'm really mad right now because I'm messing up my curls, but you should not be able to do this to no curly hair. This is the minimal tangling, minimal shedding. The hair is extra soft, really light. That is one thing that I have to rave about with this hair. It is so light. Like, I always looked at people with curly hair and I would think that their hair must feel heavy because it's like so much hair. But no ma'am, this hair is very light, and the 3 bundles we used, I actually had hair left over. So she sewed in the 3 bundles and did the closure right up top, and I still had hair left over. So it's plenty of hair for you to get 3 bundles and a closure. You have to worry about that. It's affordable, and I will link her site down below if you are interested in checking this hair out. But this hair is really definitely worth the money. I love the curl pattern because it's like it's a deep wavy. It's not an actual curly pattern, but it gives me that curl feel. Like, it still curls, don't get me wrong, but it's like a looser curl, maybe like a 3B curl, something like that. It's not a really tight, really kinky curl. And these are my initial thoughts, my unboxing. I think that the hair is absolutely amazing. I don't know how it will hold up just yet, but we will see, because I will be back with another review. I will definitely do a 3-week, 4-week hair review, somewhere in there, 3 or 4 weeks. But I'm definitely going to do another review speaking about how the hair held up after wearing it for a longer period. But this first week, honey, has been amazing. Like, I don't have any issues with my hair. I can literally part it like this in 2. And I can take my sides and I can just literally twist. I usually take a little water when I do this, and I can twist my hair down and twist to the end. Twist to the end. Twist to the end. And it's curly hair, so the ends kind of hold themselves. I'm gonna spray a little bit because literally my hands would be a little damp, so that I could do this method where I just twirl the hair like this at the end, create like a little curl like you would do your natural hair. And I just do this, and I do 2 of these, stretch them across my head like this, put on my bonnet, tie my closure down, and I am good to go. So the next morning when I wake up, just pull it apart, easy peasy like this. And I take my comb, start from the bottom up with my conditioner, detangle, and go back through my method. Okay, like, once I do that method and it's set, it's gonna stay like that for the rest of the day. I don't have any frizzing. It's not dry. The hair is very moisturized. It doesn't look dried at all. The ends are not dry. I just don't have many complaints about this hair. Like, I don't have any complaints about this hair as of now. And I will just see how it holds up, how I like it after a few weeks. But right now, I'm loving it. I don't have any complaints, honestly. As always, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the hair, please ask me down below. I'm always really good at responding and telling you guys what I feel about the hair, how I feel, would I reorder it. So I think that everything right now is A1. Just stick around and stay tuned for my update on this hair to see if I'm still loving it 3 weeks from now. As of now, no complaints. Beautiful hair, no tangling, no shedding, straight up bomb hair. So check out Jennifer King. I'm going to leave her website down below. I'm going to try to leave a direct link to this hair so that you guys can know exactly what hair I am wearing, and you can click and get the same exact hair. I will be happy to answer any questions that you guys may have down in the comments. And until next time, I will see you guys at my next video. Peace.